How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to review a new platform called eToro that does cryptocurrency trading. Now, normally as a typical consumer, you probably won't go around trying every single platform there is. But in my position as a finance person, I go around just trying things out even though I do not need it personally. Often it is very profitable. Take Coinbase, for example. When I first reviewed it, it's because some of my subscribers asked me to look at Bitcoin. And I'm like, how do you trade Bitcoin? Oh, okay, let me go on Coinbase and try it out. As a result of that, I ended up buying a lot of trial Bitcoin just to test it out. And then I ended up holding more and more of it, eventually making about 4 to 5 times the initial principal amount. So if it were not for people just keep on asking me about Bitcoin, I probably would not have spent the extra effort because I have plenty of other things to do already, and actually go explore these things to check it out for you guys. Now I have to say this video is sponsored by eToro, but this does not require me to say good things about it. So I'm just going to do this video in terms of just reviewing the platform, just telling you what it does. Now with any new platform, I tend to be very skeptical of it. I want some proof that they're gonna stay around. They're not just some random company that just made their own website and they want you to deposit money in, because you never know. Once you put money in, maybe they're gonna run away or something. So then I looked it up online, just dig around a little bit to see what the web says about this platform. So I went on Investopedia and this is what it says in terms of a warning for eToro. eToro is a multi-asset platform which offers both investing in stocks and crypto assets, as well as trading in CFD assets. Please note that CFD are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 66% of retail investors, this is like normal people that are not doing it as a profession, accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. This tells you that, wow, if you're gonna trade CFDs, you're gonna have a high chance of losing money. So we actually do not have to worry about this too much in the US because CFDs are not allowed to be used in the US market. For me, I generally do not dabble in these very complex instruments. Yes, I have bought and purchased call and put options as well. But what I realize as an investor, I personally like to just buy a stock and hold it. I do not even like to use margin. So I want to use real cash. I do not want to pay a percentage to someone for a margin account or anything. And I just want to hold this asset and then sell it. So this is more like a proper way. Yeah, you can use leverage, but this is something that I do not want to do myself. eToro started in 2006 as a company called Retail FX in Tel Aviv. Their R&D location, which likely housed the people that made the website itself, is located in Tel Aviv, Israel. Now, eToro is actually a worldwide company, which gives me at least a slightly better view of them, because if they are regulated by other agencies across the world, then it might be a little bit more secure than just some company that is not regulated by anyone at all. So eToro is regulated by SEC in Europe, FCA in UK. Now what I initially look for is that they're FDIC or SIPC insured. If they are FDIC insured, it means they're kind of like a bank. Whatever money that you put in, if the bank shut down, then the federal government will actually pay you out on whatever money that you lost. Same thing with the SIPC insurance, which covers equities that you buy in the US stock market. But this eToro platform is more centered around cryptocurrency. So similar to Coinbase, which I've been using for like a year or more now, they also do not have insurance with FDIC and SIPC. It's nice to hear that in 2018, eToro raised $100 million in a private equity round. So, okay, some private company actually would invest in such a company to, make it grow bigger and bigger. So, this is yet another thing that I look for to just kind of give yourself a warm, fuzzy feeling, because you are putting money into that company. You're depositing money from your bank account. So you actually want a high degree of confidence that this company won't go away. So this yet adds another layer of confidence, at least for me. In May 2018, they opened up the US market to trade 10 cryptocurrencies. Right now in 2019, they're able to trade 14 cryptocurrencies. They have about 10 million registered users worldwide. The 14 cryptocurrencies that they can trade right now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Dash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Cardano, I never heard of that one, IOTA, Stellar, EOC, Neo, Tron, Zcash. As part of this trial thing, I always like to load some actual money of my own into these platforms just some amount so that I can see how long it takes to transfer in, and also, you know, what kind of weird thing that might happen if I ever try to buy a cryptocurrency, and then what will happen if I actually sell it again. So in order to do this effort, I deposited $50 into this platform to test out what it looks like to buy some Bitcoin. So here it goes. So I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin over here. I have $50 loaded. I'm gonna buy all $50 into Bitcoin. There's only one button, open trade, and that's it. I already bought it by 100% of my equity with X1 leverage. Even though it's all in cash, now I can see I'm holding BTC. Average buy-in price, $10,788.25. The value is $49.66. Lost about 35 cents. Now I have a take profit order set up at $10,799.80. Now I'm going to cancel this out because I just want this order to go through. I'm going to take a tiny profit of 3-4 cents right now. So I'm going to click sell. I'm going to click take profit, and then I'm going to update it, and it just says I closed my trade. Now I'm going to go in my portfolio, and I see that it's empty. It's sold out of my Bitcoin. I don't have any Bitcoin in there. Now I want to withdraw funds. Now I actually have $50.09 in here. Now I'm trying out this withdrawal to see if they're going to charge any fees. Better alternative to withdrawing your funds. Okay, no, I just want to withdraw over here. Continue to withdraw, and I'm going to select some reason, none of the above. I'm going to just say testing. I'm testing out this platform, and I'm going to withdraw and deposit into my Chase checking account. I'm going to submit it. I'm going to change it to $50.09. I made, a 9-cent profit from this quick test here. And then I'm going to click submit. Okay, submit. And that's done. It should be done in 3 business days. And then if I look at the history, it'll say withdrawal requested under review. So it's gonna take a while before I get it. I'll update in the comments below later how many days it actually took me to get my funds. So after trying this whole platform out, I feel like this eToro thing has a very simplistic feel to it. It makes it really easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with a very small fee, but they do charge a fee in terms of a spread that it has. So when you're using this, you can use it as a beginner, and you can go, I want to buy some Bitcoin, and you just click one big button and it's going to buy it for you at the market price. They also have this copy trading feature where you can copy people who are doing very well when they are doing active day trading. Now the interesting part is that you can actually pick some trader that is doing very well. I don't know, for the past few months or so, you can look at their history, and then you can pay a small management fee, okay? Some of it goes to eToro, some of it goes to the person who is doing this portfolio. So the interesting part is, yeah, you can go ahead and copy someone else's portfolio, but if you are this person that's generating this portfolio worthy of someone else copying you, this means that you can make some sort of percentage on the people that are copying you. So if you're very good and you have a lot of people following you, and you are actually controlling, let's say, $1 million worth of assets, then I believe you collect a small percentage of fees every single year. And this means that this can turn into income for you. The people are making money, you are making a small cut of it. So this is kind of like a fund manager, but you don't actually have to start your own company to become a fund manager. This is a thing where there's very little startup costs, and you can just somehow become very good at trading, and then people will eventually start following you, and then you can start making an income doing so. Now I have to say, I'm not a day trader, nor am I very good at it, but I do realize that there are some people out there that are actually good at this much better than I am. So keep this in mind. They do not have this copy trading feature open just yet for the US market, but it will soon. So thanks for watching this video. I feel like this eToro thing is yet another platform, another option for you to trade cryptos. Sometimes on Coinbase, you cannot trade every single crypto there is. They only do 10 of them right now, whereas eToro will allow you to trade 4 more different kinds of cryptos if you are interested in those things. If you guys are interested in joining eToro, I do have an affiliate link down in the video description below. Don't forget to give me a like, comment down below. Let me know if you're thinking about becoming your own fund manager, because this could potentially earn you a lot of money. And as always, don't forget to push that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.